Eufy's E330 Pro is a game changer. Hey Eufy fans, it's me Paul, and today we're looking at Eufy's E330 4K 24/7 recording camera. This camera is wired for power and records 24/7, so nothing is missed. So let's see what it can do. I currently already have multiple Eufy motion triggered cameras, which, let's be honest, can miss things from time to time and cut motion events short. So I've been considering the E330 Pro for a while, and it was definitely a good choice. This camera needs to be connected to the Homebase 3, and I have a Homebase 3 and have already added a 1TB hard drive, which should be good for up to 1 week of continuous footage. This will record over itself when it's full. You can actually expand the footage on the Homebase up to 16 TB. This is the E330 Pro add-on camera, and here's what's in the box. We get the quick start guide, we get cable tidy clips, we get the power cable which totals 5 meters long with the camera cable and can be extended up to 30 meters. We get the power adapter, we get the screws and wall plugs, we get a rubber grommet for sealing the cables together, and we get the camera itself. This comes pre-mounted to its own bracket, which has a wide range of movement. The E330 Pro can also be purchased as a 4-camera set, which comes with a Homebase 3 and a 1TB hard drive included. Setup is easy, as with all Eufy cams, just follow the instructions in the Eufy app. Once the camera is set up, you will see this in the Eufy app, similar to other Eufy cams. It has an event counter, but next to this is the replay button. Pressing this will bring up footage of the whole day, starting at midnight. Viewing footage is done by a timeline display, where the day selected shows a blue bar you can scrub through. Yellow markers within the blue bar represent movement, so you can home in on what you want to see. You can also view the footage at 16 times speed, which will make finding the footage you need easier and quicker. Daytime footage is super clear in 4K, and night vision is also pretty good for night vision. Mine actually looks through a glass window, and it even caught the northern lights last week. It also comes with a feature called cross-camera tracking, which connects this camera and your other Eufy cams together in the way that footage will be stitched together automatically on the app to give you one continuous movie. So camera 1 will pick you up, camera 2 will then see you, and camera 3 will see you. That will then become one whole movie. Having had Eufy cams triggered by motion only for many years, the E330 is a game changer for me. I've had people ask for footage because they've spotted I've got cameras, and unfortunately I've had to tell them they are motion triggered only, and it probably didn't capture what they wanted, which was further up the road. With this, it will capture everything, provided they give me the time. I can scrub through and find what they need. I do still have use for my motion triggered Eufy cams. For example, I have a camera aiming down an alleyway, which is never any movement, so to have that recorded 24/7 would be ludicrous. This one is aimed over an area where there's a lot of movement, and I would highly recommend adding an E330 Pro to your system. If you currently have motion triggered cameras, they will miss things. This one will not miss anything, and you can use it to trigger those cameras as well. And as with all Eufy cams, it's subscription free. So if you're thinking of buying one of these, jump onto our Facebook group, Eufy Security Camera Owners, go to the featured posts and look for worldwide discounts. Look for your country and find the discount code. Any questions you have about this camera, please do leave a comment and I will try to answer. Also, please consider subscribing for more Eufy content. Thanks for watching.